Hey guys, it's me, E. If you want to see my previous video, make sure you check on the side, and make sure you subscribe and comment down below. It's called Odd Motorcycle. I just love going on there. It is really. I think it's going to be epic.
Who's this, Mouse?
Epic? Epic?
Yeah.
Who's this?
Oh, Zaza.
All right, let's check out this bike. Tell us a little bit about this bike, Mouse.
Well, all I know that it's pretty slick ride.
It's what does that say?
Oh yeah, Indian.
Indian. It's an Indian. Okay. Let's roll this thing out. Then we'll get you on the back.